Hey guys, I thought we would start out this journey here by showing you a nice little tour of my patch so that you can get an idea of how mentally unwell I am and how psychotically and monomaniacally obsessed I am with giant pumpkins. So we're in my patch. It's about 2,400 square feet, 58 by 42 feet. Here you can see my first plant. I'm growing two plants. This one is the 2198 Sperry. We'll go into what that means later, but it's a really difficult to get seed, and I feel very lucky that I get to grow it. And then over there, you're gonna see the 2560 Ginger, which is also a very difficult to get seed. That ran me $250, which, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing to say out loud, but hey, this is what makes me happy. So, all right, we have our plant. It's probably about, if I had to guess, I'd say 12, maybe 14 feet long. Right next to it, you can see a solar-powered time-lapse / security camera. That runs 24/7. I can check it on an app on my phone and see how my plants are doing at any given time. You'll also notice that we're on white weed fabric. That has a bunch of benefits. The main ones are it reflects light back up at the plants. Plants like light, obviously, they eat it. In a sense. It blocks out weeds, blah, blah, blah. We'll get into that a lot later as well. I'm standing on planks so that I don't compact my soil. I don't do a good job on that. I walk off the planks all the time, but sometimes you gotta go pirate mode and you walk on the planks. This is the skeleton of the old greenhouses for when the plants were small. When they're seedlings and it's still cool out, we keep them in these little mini greenhouses. I'll put some footage of that so you guys can check those out. What else? We got a big fence around, obviously to protect from critters. Oh, the irrigation system. How could I not? This is crazy stuff even for me. This is new for me this year. So, we have our green hose that comes from the spigot, or whatever you call it. Goes into the black tubing, and then goes along this thick main line here down the side of the patch. That then goes into these drip lines that each have a little valve attached to them, so I can choose which drip lines I want to be active. So when the plant is this small, I can only choose to water it through the drip lines right around it, and when it's huge, I can just turn them all on. So that's one option for watering.